In this video, I want to break down three key things. What could happen in the short term, what's really going on under the surface, and where I'd start looking for opportunities. Because yes, even though there's uncertainty right now, this could also be the foundation for something much bigger. So with that said, let's get into it. Before we talk about Bitcoin and altcoins, there's one key thing you need to understand. The market right now isn't just moving based on charts, it's driven by liquidity, fear, and expectations. And when the economic environment becomes uncertain, money tends to get defensive. So what happens? Riskier assets like altcoins and crypto in general are usually the first to take a hit. On top of that, we've got holidays and partial market closures this week, which tends to build up tension. And when liquidity comes back, moves are often sharper than usual. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a pretty clear situation right now. It's ranging, as you can see on the chart. It's not breaking out strongly to the upside, but it's also not clearly dropping either. And here's where things get interesting. Most of the market is expecting a strong drop, even a move below $60,000. But honestly, I don't see it that clearly right now. And this is where the key idea comes in. The market doesn't move randomly. Institutions don't buy all at once, they accumulate slowly, quietly in areas where there's liquidity. And where is that liquidity? In retail fear. When you see a sharp drop, a long week when it feels like everything is breaking down, that's when many people sell. And right there in that moment, strong hands are buying. That's why we're seeing something interesting. High volume, but price not moving up. That's not indecision, that's absorption. Right now, there's another key signal. In futures, most traders are short, while in the spot market, there's buying pressure. On top of that, open interest is rising while price is falling. What does all of this mean? It basically means a lot of people are betting on the downside. And when the market leans too heavily in one direction, it often does the opposite. Now let's look at altcoins. Altcoins are weak right now, and that's normal. When there's uncertainty, money flows out of the riskiest assets first, just like we mentioned earlier. Could they drop further? Absolutely. In fact, I do think we could still see a final phase of adjustment, but that's not a bad thing. It's part of the cycle. Markets always move the same way. First the drop, then the cleanup, then accumulation, and finally expansion. Right now, we're likely somewhere between that final cleanup phase and accumulation. And here's the important part. Institutions are already starting to position themselves, but that doesn't mean price will go up immediately. My current scenario looks something like this. A possible initial drop toward the 65,000 area, followed by a sideways, slow, even boring market. Institutions are accumulating, and we may be building a future bottom. It's not about catching the exact bottom, it's about understanding which phase we're in. So I'll leave it there. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you believe the bottom is already in, or do we still need one last drop? And as always, it's better to miss an opportunity than to lose money. See you in the next video. Take care, stay sharp, and keep a cool head. Bye.